Alright, we're playing 18 holes ba tayo? 9 holes lang. 9 holes lang.
Yeah, kaya.
9 holes with Mr. Johnny Sins here at Templeton Golf Club. First on the tee. Wow, what a fucking shot. That's a Moses shot. Straight down to hell.
Hole 1. LM. Stroke 1. Practice. Wow. My gosh. Boom. In the middle. Nice. Alright, stroke 2. 127 meters. Top, but still okay. Keep rolling. Rolling. Yeah, so good.
Second shot for Mr. Johnny. 120 from the pin. Nice shot. Over.
Stroke 3. Nice. Yun dapat. Perfect. On the green. First on the green.
Third shot. Pitching birdie from Mr. Johnny. Nice. Oh, too strong. Over. Nice. Putting par for Mr. Johnny. Oh, nice speed. Oh, nice. Good.
Putting par. Layo bro. Break. Nice man. Yeah. Stroke 5. Uy. 6. It's good, bro. Double.
Putting bogey. Oh, nice one. Alright, we're at hole 2. Recap of our score in hole 1. Johnny got a bogey. I got a double bogey. Let's see how we fare on hole number 2. Mr. Johnny on the tee. Medyo kumanan. Oops. Kitang kita yung bola mo dito.
Hole 2. LM on the pin. Stroke 1. Same? Same, bro? Alright, stroke 2. Still rolling? Nice. Medyo open mo lang, bro, yung clubs mo.
Second shot. Nice.
Yan. Open mo lang. Nga, dapat nag-ano.
Nice, huh? Good.
Stroke 3. Nabibilang, bro. Maganda yun. Maganda yun sana yung approach mo. Maganda yun. Ganda. Stroke 4. Go. Go. Lumiko.
Putting par for Mr. Johnny. Oh, hina.
Stroke 5. Go in. Oh, chicks.
For par. And for bogey. Oh!
Hole 3. Alright, hole 3, stroke 1. May tao, bro, sa puno. May tao sa puno. Sige lang. Naghihintay sa siguro. Wow. You're right. Saan yun, bro?
On the tee, hole 3, Mr. Johnny. Oh, kita ko dito.
Dito na ata sa'yo? Stroke 2. Saan, bro? May nakikita.
Tumingin, huwag ka kasi tumingin sa camera.
Tumitingin nga ako sa ano.
Huwag ka tumingin sa camera. Johnny on his second shot.
Okay na. Yun.
Oh, kita dito. Yun, saka mo.
Stroke 3. Dun.
Third shot for Mr. Johnny. Tagor.
Kailang. Ching? Matamaan mo ano. Approach pwede dyan eh. Alright, stroke 4. Yan, tama lang. So good.
Stop.
Sit. Alright, on the green.
Fourth shot for Mr. Johnny. Nice shot. Good shot.
Alright. Stroke 5. Putting par. Nice turn. Over, bro. Sit.
Putting par for Mr. Johnny. Oy! Bogey.
For boogie. It's all good, bro. Double. Stop.
Okay, we're at hole 4, par 4. On the team, Mr. Johnny Makasalanan. No.
Hole 4. LM on the tee. Stroke 1. Oh my gosh, bro. Yeah. Nakita. And hole number 4. Oh yan, nag-kick bro. Sa lady. Okay, stroke 2. Layo pa yan. Yan. Straight, ganda. Dun. Puno. Okay lang. See?
Woods.
Kita mo, woods talaga.
Ayun na, no. Second shot for Mr. Johnny. Nice out.
Okay lang.
Good. Third shot for Mr. Johnny. Sayang. Ganda sana.
Okay. I think LM is gonna do punch out. No choice. Nice out. So rolling. Sit. 4. Tigas yan. Dapat huwag mo itap. Tama lang. Tamang ano lang. Relax mo lang katawan. Yun. Not bad. Stroke 5. Nice. Nice roll. Sit na.
For par yan, ah. Pitching par. Oy! Nice.
Okay, stroke 6, bro. Gawin. Woo! Oh, goods.
Hole 5, the Arcadia par 4. First on the tee, Mr. Johnny. Nagpa sa puno?
Hole 5. Still stroke 4. LM on the tee. First shot. Nice. Oh, you're right, bro. Hindi ko nakita kung saan na drop.
Second shot for Mr. Johnny. Nice pan shot, puta.
Shit eh.
Simple lang ha, nice.
Ilapit mo lang.
Magalingan sa mga ganun mo ah.
Oh, maganda pa. Ganda.
Dapat yun.
Oo. Stroke 4. Nice. Baby fade. Not bad. Set na.
Stroke 3 for Mr. Johnny. Nice one. Ganda na.
Stroke 5. Nice.
Putting par. Uwi na. Oy, nice bogey.
Alright. Hole 6, ano bro, no? Stroke 6. Boom.
Hole 6, par 4, the hardest hole. First on the tee, Johnny. Doon, sa bundok.
Birdie. Okay. First stroke. Hole 6. Nice. Ganda. Yun. Oh, nag-kick pa. Nice bro. Nag-kick pa sa gitna.
Second shot for Mr. Johnny. Saya puntahin. Down. Puta, ganda ng sting. Ay, nag-kick. Nag-kick dun oh. Yun, sayang. Ganda na eh.
Stroke 2. 201 meters. 201 meters. Mid. Left. Stinger. Not bad. Not bad bro. Still rolling. Grabe, umakyat pa.
Third shot for Mr. Johnny. Oh, ito ganda ng jad.
Hindi ko bro. Bin mo lang please. Yun nga.
Tanga na nag-overy, gago.
Basta.
Nice trade.
Wow, stroke 3. I think there's only 80 meters left. Uy!
Gago.
Shucks bro.
Sak na naman yan eh.
Oh. Stroke bro. Stroke 4. Yan. Nice, ganun dapat kanina. For short lang. Okay. Stroke 5. Tempo lang bro. Yun, yun lang. Nice. Go in. Hey! Sit na. Sit na.
Putting par. Lakas. Gago.
Stroke 6.
Ano naman?
Stroke 7. Set na. Goods. Goods na yan. Goods.
Putting bogs. Hina. Gago. Good. Hole 7, par 5. Ano sabi mo kay Papo?
Wala ka.
Tangina mo.
Sayang.
Papo, pango.
Alright. Hole 7, par 5. Ellen on the tee. Stroke 1. Nice. Bit right lang. Yun, sa unahan sa puno. Sa puno bro. Yun.
On the tee. Mr. Johnny. Kaliwaan na mo ha.
Ay, behind na bro. Behind na naman. Fairway.
Okay lang, fairway siya.
Stroke 2. Stinger daw gagawin nila. Nice. Okay, go. 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 Sit na.
Middle of the fairway, Johnny Sins on his second shot. Ganda.
Diba?
Nice shot.
Nice. Ganun lang bro. Nice. Wag lang gigil. Yun lang, okay lang. Good. Bad.
Iba na. Ibang iba ka na nga.
Uy, on mo lang. Grabe, hindi short bro. Uy, on.
On gago. Hutang na.
Uy,
Uy, sa birdie yan dyan ha. Tangin na mo ha.
try nga. Nice, stroke 4. Tempo. Nice shot, Em. Bounce mo yan, bro. Nice. Uy, set na. Yung ka na. Think par. Shit, bumaba. Gagar. Lakas talaga. Par. Tempo lang, bro. Tama lang. Yun lang. Goods. Concentrate. Eyes on the ball. Nice, bro. Set ka na. Set na yan. Set na yan. Go.
Okay na. For birdie.
Taas. Yan. Nice. Taas, bro. Bahay lang konti. Nice. Nakita ko na, bro. Nakita ko na. Sana papasok sa. Nakita ko na. Game. Kita ko na, bro.
Birdie! Putang ina. Oh, nice one dyan.
Birdie.
Putang ina, birdie.
Nakita ko na eh. Sabi ko na eh. Nakita ko na, bro.
Ito yung mahirap eh. Tagilid.
Ibali, bro, ah.
Okay.
Nice. Uy, sayang. Okay lang. Double.
Hole 8 on our par 3 series. Johnny on the tee.
Okay lang. Unang side tama to. On naman sa ano.
Okay lang.
Okay, hole 8. Par 3. 172 meters. LM on the tee, stroke 1. Nice. Nice shot, bro. Nice shot.
Bumper yata.
Set. No, it's okay. Oy!
Hulog po.
Bunker.
Na ako dito.
Hindi kaya.
So kung kinakantot ka nga naman na malas, first na tira ko maganda sa bunker pa.
Try mo yung ano ko.
Packing inang shit. Johnny on his second shot. Nice one. Last one. Over. Oh.
Okay, here's the challenging. Nice. Ganun, bro. Nice. Nice, ah. Una yung ano, sand, ah. Nice. Unang sand. Yup. Tama yan. Sige lang, bro.
Tigas ah.
Tigas ba?
Tigas lagi.
Yan. Hirap talaga. Hirap talaga si Lim. Sige, bro. Nice! At least! Woo! Playing 6 ka dyan, bro.
John Sins. Third shot. Lakas. Lakas. Mark mo.
Stroke 5. Hey, bro.
John Sins for bogey. Double. Nice one. Last hole for the day. Jan, ano naman sabi mo?
Papaula ka, Paps!
Kaninong hole ka papasok next? Hole 9. Last hole for the day. Medyo maganda yung pinapakita ni Jadi ah. Kaninong hole kaya papasok to next? The 19th hole. Johnny Sins. The man, the myth, the legend. The man of many professions. Umangat ka, gago. Uligan.
Okay, 9 hole. This is our last hole, guys. LM on the tee, stroke 1. Yun. Nice. Bit right lang siya. Puno. Diba? Do yun. Dun. Nice.
Last hole. Pero ewan kong ito na ba yung last hole ni Jody. The man of many holes. Ah, good. Yung nakita.
Okay, stroke 2. Puno bro, punch out lang. Oh, nice. Uy, ganda. Not bad bro. Set na.
Okay, hero shot for Mr. Jody. Nice.
Ito dapat dito. Okay lang. Sabi dapat dito, at dun. 129 front, 143 mid. Behind lang. Okay.
Third shot for Mr. Sins. Lakas, gago. Over and over.
Akala ko 1 in 14. Nice, ganda bro. Tama lang yan. Kasi taas yan eh. Boom! Nice! Ganda yun dapat.
Pitching par. Layo, gago. Bogey. Tikit mo lang. Kulang.
Or boogie. Nice roll. Ano yung bro? Double. Sana. Ganyan yan bro. Triple.
Parko eh. Pang pitch yung parko dun eh. Uy, gago.
Double bro. Double lang ako bro. Sabi ko sa'yo, double lang ako. Hindi ako magana. Sabi ko sa'yo, double lang ako.
Good.
Shot!
So that concludes our 9 holes for today. Now, I'm going home to my 19th hole. See you later. Ikaw dyan, kaya...
Siyempre sasawa ko.
Yun no. Sino dun?